What you up to? Good looking?
Big man with the planes here.
I towed in mediums.
Yeah. Tommy went on his first medium duty solo tow today.
Who did?
Tommy did.
Nice.
Stretch Floki's legs.
Spent about 45 minutes on the phone though, asking how to do it.
No, I did not.
Ain't no worse than you. Don't worry, we cut those parts out of the videos so the people of YouTube think
There's
they know
no
what's
proof of it.
I bet there is. I bet he still got the parts he cut out.
Oh, the first time I went on to it?
When you're recording and your pipe load, you had to call me because you had brake fart.
No, because you kept like, I want to know every single second that you're doing things. I'm like, yes,
No,
yes,
I don't
Yes,
know. I didn't even bother you till you called me first.
You were like, FaceTime me. I want to see what's going on. I'm like, I
But you
uploaded the
asked me a
photos.
question, I couldn't figure it out.
And you're like, FaceTime me. And I'm like, yes, mini daddy, because you're not the big daddy. I'm like, okay, here. And I had to show you like every single thing. You're like, here's how I would do it. And I was like, well, fine, I'll do it your way.
It worked, didn't it? Your ways weren't working, were they?
No, my way did work. You said
After
like,
you did it my way.
you said on how to grab the frame, go through, and then straight over by crossing my chains. No, I didn't want to cross my chains.
No.
I wanted to
Would've worked.
wrap the spring.
I told you to wrap the spring.
No, you didn't. You told me to cross the chain.
Should we bring up the video? Because in the end of the video, you said the way Michael said to do it worked.
I'm slinging it.
Mm-hmm.
What else are we talking
Not
about?
no. Mini Michael.
Alright, we're gonna end here. See you in the video. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm falling behind one of our drivers, Rocky. It is piss pouring rain right now, and to prevent him from getting hurt, I'm gonna follow behind him, park my truck behind where he's positioned, and make sure that nobody can potentially hurt him by not paying attention to the road. So here's the car right now, as you guys can see. That's what we're about to get. Get you guys a nice video today. Alright, I'm gonna grab some road cones out too. And there's no road cones. That's great.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely you can't park there.
Hey, you can't park there.
You can't park there.
Yeah.
Alright.
From what I can tell, I have no damage. The car seems fine. It just is stuck.
Yeah. Hydroplane?
Yeah, it got me back about there. I spun at 360.
Damn.
Was able to control it enough to not going sideways.
I passed you earlier, maybe like 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes.
Yeah. And I get to the shop, and that's when he was leaving out. I'll go ahead and get Rocky's truck set up right. Oh, fun. I love the rain. Got the soft V bridle. I couldn't feel a transport slot underneath it, and I'm sure as hell not gonna lay down there and dig for it. So we're gonna use a soft strap, wrap around the A-arms. Be a lot quicker this way. Alright, as y'all can see, we're clean or filthy. Got both sides hooked up though, so we're good. All parts done. You want to hop in it? You want to hop in it? Just put it in neutral. Okay. And it's the way that cable's going. Just follow that line. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Fun. To all the towing operators that watch our channel, drop a comment and tell me your worst horror story when it comes out for rain and being out in the weather. I'd love to read it. Right up. Took a little while to get hooked up because there's absolutely no clearance in this car, and the state needs to mow their grass. So we got it though. Yeah, about now you're good. Yeah, is front wheel drive?
Yeah, it's front wheel.
Then yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
You want to try and pull up real quick? See if I can. All right, good deal. All right, I'm gonna hook you. Okay.
Okay.
So how do I pay?